Hey man, you got to stay hydrated. Yo, what going on YouTube? Hey, it's your boy Young KD back at it again. Hey, today I got a very special video for y'all once again, as always. Hey, today I got the updated Lil Baby preset, man. I mean, I been made one a couple months ago. Hey, but my opinion, this one sounds way better. Know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna waste too much time. Let's go ahead and jump into the video, and I'm gonna let y'all hear how the preset sounds right now. Y'all boy get ready, man. Let's go.
Fill the bando up with bags, get a little bro in my jar. You can come get rich with us, you gon' eat or you gon' starve. Keep it certified, hit him, said I pay him not to rob. Hop out 2020 culling and I'm riding in the star. Know some people, baby, I bulletproof the car. All the members make free bands, I Adlibs like that cracking car. I keep it really, still ain't take the charge. Why she talking crazy about me like I don't do more than my part? Get a world to my little boy. I've been saving more than I've been spending, that's what I be on. I'm a human, I ain't perfect, I know sometimes I'm like, come and put that pussy on me. Don't be running from me. If I like it, I spend money on it. Get whatever from it. Pussy figures in your business. I do real shit.
Okay, man, so as always, y'all see it's no cap in my rap. The preset is crazy. Hey, so y'all boys stick around. I'm gonna show y'all everything I did to the preset right now. Okay, man, so for the Lil Baby preset, the first thing I started off with, I got a tape simulator. You know what I'm saying? I started the Lil Baby preset off with a tape simulator. Not too much, just a slight bit of saturation to add a little body and a little character to the vocals. Hey man, this worked out for me. It's y'all preset, so hey, you don't gotta have nothing on the preset that you don't want. I only got the drive on 12%. You don't want to go too much, too crazy on the drive, because it'll start to sound distorted. And nobody wants a distorted vocal, man. Am I wrong? Yes, sir, man. The next thing I got on the Lil Baby preset, I got an easy EQ, taking out some low end and some high end. I didn't really mean to take out the high end, it just automatically does it. But don't worry, man. It sounds dull right now, but we're gonna add all the high end back later on. And we also boosted 8,000 hertz, just a little bit, around 3 dB. Yes, sir, man. Next thing we got is a graphic EQ. Hey, with this graphic EQ, we're trying to shape out the vocal and make it sound better. That's the whole goal of the graphic EQ, to even out the vocal and balance it out. Hey man, so this is what I got. I took out a little bit of that 100 range. I took out a good bit of that 200, that real bassy tone. This microphone that I got is it's a real thick and warm microphone, so I had to take a good bit of that bass out of there. Took a little 400 out. I took that 1.6K out, about 5 dB, 4.8 dB. With that taken out a little bit, the vocal definitely sound a lot smoother. And we took about negative 1.6 dB out of that 3.2K range. For every microphone, this is gonna sound different. Like I said, like I always tell y'all, EQ gonna sound a little different, so you might gotta tweak it up a little bit. Hey man, but that's about it. Okay, cool, man. Next thing we got is an exciter, just adding some brightness to the vocals, because the graphic EQ made it a lot smoother, but it didn't exactly add presence. So we added the exciter to add a little cleanness and make it sound clear and bright. This is the settings I got. Y'all can turn this down as always, like everything else on the preset if needed. After that exciter, the vocals sound a lot more present, but now they're starting to peek through with the sibilance. That S sound is starting to like pop through the mix, and we definitely don't want that. Hey, so we put a De-esser on, man, frequency at 5506 hertz. This is what I got, negative 22.6 dB threshold. After that, man, we got a DIGI comp. This is a compressor just to keep the vocals more glued together and more consistent. I got a 6:1 ratio. I got a fast release. I got a little bit slower attack. Hey, man, this will work for me. Just like everything else on the preset, if this don't work for you, you can change it up just a little bit. After that, man, we got another compressor to glue these vocals together, that TechLab BA2A compressor. The gain on 76 and the squeeze on 66, man. Hey, this worked out for me. It made my vocals sound a lot more together, man. So, hey, that's why I did this. Next thing we got is a chorus ensemble. The chorus ensemble adds an added texture of thickness, a nice type sound to your vocals. That's why I did it. It makes it sound more full, more industry sounding. This is optional, but I'm telling y'all, man, it sounds really good. Okay, cool, man. Next thing we got is a studio reverb. The reverb ensures that your vocal won't be so dry inside of the mix, and it kind of sits inside of the mix better, sits in that pocket. You know what I'm saying? Adds a little sauce to it. Without the reverb, man, vocals sound very, very dry and nasty. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I got. 20% on the mix, 78% on the tone, and 23% on the sides. This is what I got, man. Y'all can copy this down if y'all need to. Or go to the description and copy the link for the preset. Last thing we got is a D-Delay Plus, man. D-Delay Plus fill the vocal out. Adds little small echoes to the background. Excuse me. Adds small little vocals to the background. You know what I'm saying? It doubles, triples, does whatever to your vocals. If y'all don't like how this sounds, you can just turn it off. And if you want more, you can just turn it up, man. Simple as that. Hey, I hope today's video helped y'all out, man, and y'all learned something new, and y'all got a better preset now. If you did, and if it helps you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button, man. Like and comment. Don't be shy, man. We a nice community over here. We really don't got too much nonsense going on, you know what I'm saying? Most of the people pretty chill, pretty cool. Hey, man, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, and y'all come check me out in the next video. I'm gonna go over the preset a little bit more with y'all right now, man. Hey, this for all my struggling artists out there who mixing music, man. If you really struggling to mix a song, even after the videos, man, hit my Instagram, YSLKD__. The prices are very cheap, you feel me? And I'm gonna get you right. I'm gonna get your song sounding how you want it to, man. Hey, so with that being said, I'm out.
Fill the bando up with bags, get a little bro in my job. You can come get rich with us, you gon' eat or you gon' starve. Keep it certified, hit him, said I pay him not to rob. Hop out 2020 color and I'm riding in the star. Fill the bando up with bags, get a little bro in my job. You can come get rich with us, you gon' eat or you gon' starve. Keep it certified, hit him, said I keep it certified. Fill the bando up with bags, get a little bro in my job. You can come get rich with us, you gon' eat or you gon' starve. Keep it certified, hit him, said I pay him not to rob. Hop out 2020 color and I'm riding. Fill the bando up with bags, get a little bro in my job. You can come get rich with us, you gon' eat or you gon' starve. Keep it certified, hit him, said I pay him not to rob. Hop out 2020 color and I'm riding in the star. Fill the bando up with bags, get a little bro in my job. You can come get rich with us, you gon' eat or you gon' starve. Keep it certified, hit him, said I pay him not to rob. Hop out 2020 color and I'm riding in the star. Fill the bando up with bags, get a little bro in my job. You can come get rich with us, you gon' eat or you gon' starve. Keep it certified, hit him, said I pay him not to rob. Hop out 2020 color and I'm riding in the star. Fill the bando up with bags, get a little bro in my job. You can come get rich with us, you gon' eat or you gon' starve. Keep it certified, hit him, said I pay him not to rob. Hop out 2020 color and I'm riding in the star. Fill the bando up with bags, get a little bro in my job. You can come get rich with us, you gon' eat or you gon' starve. Keep it certified, hit him, said I pay him not to rob. Hop out 2020 color and I'm riding in the star. Fill the bando up with bags, get a little bro in my job. You can come get rich with us, you gon' eat or you gon' starve. Keep it certified, hit him, said I pay him not to rob. Hop out 2020 color and I'm riding in the star. Fill the bando up with bags, get a little bro in my job. You can come get rich with us, you gon' eat or you gon' starve. Keep it certified, hit him, said I pay him not to rob. Hop out 2020 color and I'm riding in the star. Fill the bando up with bags, get a little bro in my job. You can come get rich with us, you gon' eat or you gon' starve. Keep it certified, hit him, said I pay him not to rob. Hop out 2020 color and I'm riding in the star.